OKFM 101.7.
Na yenko lawyer Godwin Edudzie Tamakloe na ye no enko twetwe enkombo no why a private legal practitioner. Lawyer Godwin Edudzie Tamakloe me mo acha no pay
Omunyafo kwa kwami chikeche anopa emejo so
na bako de
obo ade adawro ma bra kwame
now where the Assin North MP and where the Daily Statesman I was say ordered to file defense ansan and me say wamaya order of substituted service they are coming from a night netizen and saka and come a course way send the city enra
yo bra kwame once again me share okayfm my share for na enu ade e ba ye na say asem no by ewo Supreme Court na asem no eba Supreme Court no the echo by nyina na say lawyer for the Honorable J.T. Kwesen me senior chachishkata na our court na asem no by na already some preliminary objections say Sebio, the order of the court was to the effect the motion for injunction and the other processes should be served on the MP, that's the Chikwese. But publication now about daily graphic it was only in respect of the overfriend the hearing notice. Now or no council, what it means is the order has not been carried out fully. No credit Miami senior in honesty, that's the senior Frank Davis. In honesty, I can say yes, there appears to be some error relative to the publication in the graphic. But for my court who say the most important thing is the Honorable MP is now aware or has been notified about what has happened. In the objection now, Mr. Chikasa raised Supreme Court Emma ruling by a 6-1 decision.
Now a lawyer answer now because of me say or raise objection or say can say that order of substituted service now woman come a year James Dachikwesi no na esenka we almost spell out the details in it no and our court no so say they cannot do that because I feel now what they are no kobo na the control we nyina de aguso I want to say
and an American into that objection now already Emma the Apex Court, the Supreme Court, and Omema ruling on the objection whether or not the order for substituted service was complied with and as a comply with. In the Supreme Court by a 6-1
decision
majority decision with my Lord Justice Kulendi or dissenting so the most important thing with the substituted service is to bring to the attention of the party say there is a pending judicial process against Onunipano. And once it has been done, the form in which it has been done will suffice for it as the justice of the case required. Omemano a day for him to be able to file the response so that the court can decide on the injunction application. Jacoba court no ageni proceedings.
Now lawyer boy akakra that injunction application no hinges on what?
Okay, so this is what happened. Okaya Emra Asemno Eba the first time it was filed at the High Court in Cape Coast. Lawyers for Mr. Kwesen. Now there was an injunction application. Okaya now it was about the election of the Speaker of Parliament. So on that 6th January, the High Court in second year, somebody gave you a ruling. As lawyers for Kwesi, you raise an issue. Say, look, Oshe, the complaint now. The complaint is about quote Article 94, and the questions about owing allegiance. One who said 94 is not about dual nationality. 94 is actually about owing allegiance to a country other than Ghana.
Now, and no, why holding allegiance, any dual nationality, no difference. The woman say,
oh, you can be a dual national, but you know owe allegiance to a country other than Ghana. So look at it in this way: how do you become a dual national? You can become a dual national by ABR registration, by birth, because ABR Obra Kwame Oko Abroche Koko school before we know Dane Obama Papa. So that ena aja wawo ba kon ewo America. Sao ba no naturally no osa Ghana ni ana
Ami will be sao.
oh seminu say no pre. Na
Me
oh just here DNA test.
Debbie, me. Only Joe Biden crash said the same birthday.
Fantastic. You know, who have that situation now before I make out to cry, Nyame Nyonko MPP Regional Secretary for Eastern Region Jeff Kunedu. Then say me Chano pa. On my day I'm around this time.
Why?
Then you no way. Why? Now when we say into the question of allegiance, is more different from nationality. Even though one can be a subset of the other. Contend is look, this issue of allegiance other than Wayne, it has not received any serious judicial pronouncement, especially from the apex court. Your best judge are not over second Cape Coast. The no on stay any proceedings on the injunction. Now on refer Assembly and call Supreme Court for interpretation. Mekai mia misinia bakope Frank Davis and the guy the back home. Also dabi undecided injunction no. Yo at the end of the day or it decided say obey injunction MP. So kai the also on the election of the speaker and all those matters. Now about substantive matter no you will be a friend of directions. You do application for directions or setting down the issues for hearing. Yes, I raise the same issue. Said, look, my lord, the only time Ghana court I can be biasa issues of allegiance was in 1992 October. Bilson and Rollins, okay. My lord, Sophie Bones, I can't say.
Hey, yes, why?
Oh, by this time they were film cry.
Oh, wow.
Yes. That issue no ever out say, look, what do we do when you are confronted with a situation like that? Because Bills and can say, Rollins ne papa is Scottish. Ne mame in a Ghana in 1992 NDC 4 can say Rollins ne MBA and parliamentary and presidential candidate, he owes allegiance to a country other than Ghana because Osai is Scottish. My lord, a Sophie Bones a car daddy, and members. Because the question really, the statutory provision is about allegiance to a country other than Ghana. Papa, I joined Ghana Armed Forces from the 1960s. And so, and at that time, you took an oath that he owes allegiance to only Ghana. And so he also went ahead, cram and never head of state. And also, Osacheki, an oath of office, say, Obesum Ghana, no some Ghana only. And so, after all these years now, and what about you? Just a British High Commission, Echo J, the dual nationality certificate, answer. Ya Peninsula Manabe, presidential candidate in 92 on the ticket of NDC. That would misread the law. No, or dismiss a similar application for injunction. In fact, that time, not the lawyer for Bilson was Obimenu. Lawyer Obimenu. I'm sure, say, Udia Kumasi Unum the Pan.
I was not official, none near the pa.
Papa.
What can I say on need Joe Rand of Kramu could be in
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. History lessons there, but yeah.
Ebra, one can say.
Memory is sharp.
Aye.
Memory is sharp. Inti enona ekoba. Inti raise those issues before the judge. You best no. On 594 no enkoma a Supreme Court judge for. Na so omuma interpretation forever and ever no na abinding na. Again, lawyers for petitioner no so omuni yen enya adwin say 94 require any interpretation blah blah blah. Ye kan nyina almost say omum peneso. And also ye this year. Until finally no make a judgment against honorable question. In your call appeal. Into your call appeal. One of the grounds of appeal I raised here had to do with this issue of 94 being referred to the Supreme Court. And also, lawyers for petitioner, Miami Senior Frank Davis and Gary, as I raised the objection, said that be Omon Peninsula say the matter be referred to the Apex Court for application. In the Court of Appeal, a year refusal, no. Now, Miami Senior, Chikata, a file a certiorari application at the Supreme Court, say the High Court refusal to refer the matter to the Supreme Court has occasioned like an error of law and then jurisdictional matter. Supreme Court enquashed that refusal. Now, from nowhere, I measure Miami Senior, Frank Davis, maybe I will be an open mechano. I said, now, why issue writ at the Supreme Court? Now asking Supreme Court to now interpret Article 94. And they say, Senior, from High Court, in the Statica, Yanko Supreme Court, Yanko Supreme Court, Yanko Supreme Court. Each one of these who oppose it. Each one of them you oppose. So how come that suddenly the very thing our opposite at the High Court during injunction, during the substantive hearing, Court of Appeal, to say the Supreme Court, and yet why? What has prompted it now?
By the court to do that.
What's that?
Messi by the court to do that. Say, okay, say, at this time, where said the Nimanisi Kona, or the court for interpretation, waiting to call.
Meanwhile, yes, from the beginning of January 2021, in the Asante Council, look, the Akobe in the yes, so, yen Ayenko Supreme Court. Omuna, Omuye, the grandfathers of the law. Sebe, or grandfather can the history of your village. So, I want to go and consult my father on it.
Now, Abadi, Mammy Radio, we say.
Yes, sir.
Miss so my rudimentary understanding is say, so could do Supreme Court. Now, Supreme Court to hear all the be, and now interpret a DB in your favor now against Wokranwa. Senka media bianca meko the appellate court, because in the appellate system in our justice administration, and Kaoko be a court of appeal, then can be if you want to call. But now no Supreme Court no bua. So what mean some what you, because the lower courts no it mean can say what to the Supreme Court.
That's another issue Krawa raises very fundamental. And then they say right from the beginning, we anticipated that we'll get here. If you say your grandfathers no ekasa. What is here? It binds him of friending and yes, sir. January 2021, in the air can say, young court, yen an animal precope. What I say, Sebi, and in fear cromu, you are omokaji kuwabewa, and you kuwabewaba. Into the young kuwabewa precope, Sabewa Casa, not a binding yen. At that time, so Debbie, yempany. And no, yempany, na case no go through full trial. Yeah, yes, we are not happy with the decision of the trial judge in the appeal. Yes, I do appeal. Yes, look, appeals court. Yes, Remo. I did the case you 94. Yema, yana na fui. Enka wasem prekope. Na se nananom ka wasem prekope a ebe bindi na. Again, lawyers for petitioners dabi yem peneso ma na fui enka wasem. Yen koso. What I say? Then now from nowhere, asem no one appeal. The matter is pending at appeal. Now and the prekope him no issue. The same we are the very people who oppose the matter at the High Court. No more issue a rate prim apple nana for say the nananum yabwadwe nti mumbetie asem no mayen. Prokwame. And no in a day abedu sam pempensui. Say no ye nananum in a mabetie. And no normal de friend injunction at the account. Say Apex Court is no before no crano. Injuncted the Honorable MP from holding himself out as the Member of Parliament elect for the people of Assin. General, your Supreme Court, they say the almost so, the Peninsula say, yes, from now to the 16th day of March. Your response, a new year be a injunction application and a rate or Modiabeto, the judge for Nenumana, Yen back on the 16th for the case to take its course. And Rano, the Echo see our Supreme Court are catching on wrap up.
Loy, yes, say, dear, it was Supreme Court, no. And no, your criminal aspects now say we need different.
The civil matter, no. As for the criminal matter, there is the criminal court, high court.
Oh, okay.
And they are entirely different.
Now, I'm out for ya. What was say? Now, no minute lawyer Gary Marco Kitchen Common was say. And Kabaya, come on to Ura Jesse question for. A son said the egg carbon, Adam Sakandi. Sagana na edidi mubai. What we as a lawyer or counsel? What did you say?
Nima da Musa Kandi Asam no. Nima da Musa Kandi Asam no. What happened? They don't know. Adamusa Kandi be MP. Kranu or Kranu Burkina Faso and British passport.
I see. Meet you, pa.
Mr. Adamusa Kandi. May his soul rest in peace. Obey MP. Obey MP. No sir crack. Ne Burkina Bay and British passport.
Okuta Burkina Bay
and British. Even when you were still MP.
Ooh, necessary no cry, mummy and kakra. Oh, my
and Obisa Obia the certificate of renunciation among other things nearby. Look, you say Asamesi, men person kai obi eyao. What I say, the man is no more. But lawyer for Obia was a friend distinguishable. The facts are completely distinguishable. Sebi, without going into the merits of the matter at the High Court. In the case of J.C. Question, and Krofobi were from concerned citizens of Assin of Bisa, almost draw petition from my electoral commission in 2020. Some have a reason say, Papa Okra dual citizenship. Bra, electoral commission. Asem no koa could pay electoral commission. Yema mi Mensa akachi. I won't cry. Electoral commission ankasa extra ye efre je education se bra. Saying yati petition we say okra no sakra Canadian citizenship. Fabre yen with certificate of renunciation. Ye besi you ansi ama okwan ama contest. Electoral commission ankasa efre no man de the certificate of renunciation every Omankasa share ya no so worry where the ye ukra and to go ahead. And can that same person turn around and say he had been deceived?
Oh, okay. Next is entirely different.
OKFM 101.7.